Welcome to our channel, where we explore intricate biological processes that are fundamental to our health. In today's video, we delve into the fascinating world of enzymes and their crucial roles in our bodies, focusing on an unsung hero, SHMT, or serine hydroxymethyltransferase. Imagine our bodies as vast, intricate factories where each process is part of a meticulously organized assembly line. In this factory, SHMT plays a pivotal role, akin to a skilled assembly line worker. This enzyme is essential in producing DNA, crafting the very blueprint of life itself. By converting serine into glycine, SHMT assists in generating a one-carbon unit that is vital for DNA synthesis. This process ensures that our cells can grow and divide properly, keeping the body functioning seamlessly. However, the role of SHMT doesn't end with DNA production. It is also instrumental in regulating homocysteine levels in the body. Homocysteine, when left unchecked, can act like an unsupervised component on the assembly line, presenting potential risks. Normally, it is converted into other beneficial substances within the body. But when its levels rise, it can become a precursor to various health hazards, including heart disease and certain birth defects. So what happens when this diligent worker, SHMT, doesn't perform optimally? Mutations in the enzyme can lead to elevated homocysteine levels. Just as a flaw in an assembly line could result in defective products, these mutations increase the risk of cardiovascular issues and may complicate pregnancy by contributing to birth defects. Fortunately, we have ways to ensure the assembly line continues to function well despite these challenges. One effective strategy is to incorporate a diet rich in folate. Folate, a critical B vitamin, serves as a buffer against high homocysteine levels. You can find it abundantly in leafy greens like spinach and kale, as well as in beans and legumes. These foods essentially act as quality control measures, supporting the body's ability to manage homocysteine levels effectively. For individuals with specific SHMT mutations or high homocysteine, dietary measures can be supplemented with B vitamin supplements. Vitamins B6, B12, and folate work in tandem to optimize homocysteine conversion, much like enhancing the skill set of our assembly line worker to maximize efficiency. To summarize, SHMT might not be a household name, but its impact on our health is profound. It embodies the remarkable precision of our body's natural processes, safeguarding the integrity of our genetic material and balancing crucial metabolic pathways. Through a diet rich in folate and precise supplementation, we can mitigate the effects of SHMT mutations, ensuring our body's factory continues to run smoothly, keeping both machinery and product, our health, in optimal condition. Thank you for tuning in today. Continue to join us as we explore more of the extraordinary intricacies within our bodies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Take care and see you next time.